She has something to say, and she says it really well.
Many, many years before, because I'd read her books, and she was always an inspiration. Is that
I can sometimes recapture what it was like to sit here when I was a young girl. Everything I saw was new and exciting. This was when my dream began. I would grow up, I would go to Africa, I would live with animals, I would write books about them. If we are the most intellectual creature that's ever walked on the planet, how come we're destroying that planet? Now it was time for me to do something. We must learn to live in peace and harmony, not only with each other, but with the natural world.
You are the reason we found ours, so thank you.
Never forget that every single day that you live, you make a difference, you impact the world. I had to do something. I had to do something about it.
She has something to say, and she says it really well.
and she was always an inspiration to me. She was always one of those women, one of those voices that...
The most intellectual creature that's ever walked on the planet.
A beautiful...
Tough as nails.
Call her, she's a walking angel.
How come we're destroying that planet?
She loves being a star.
You are the reason we found ours. So thank you.
Conservation had rock stars. This woman would be Mick Jagger, Bob Dylan, John Lennon, and Elvis all wrapped up in one.